What's up, YouTube? This is Crypto Timmy coming at you with another one, with another banger. What's going on, guys? You are now tuned into the Crypto Timmy Show, and I'm your host, Crypto Timmy. And for this episode, I am going to be talking about how it all starts today, guys. We have some very important information that will be released by the Federal Reserve at some point today, and it will dictate the future of the cryptocurrency market, guys. This is the beginning of where millionaires will be made. If you have been investing into crypto like myself, I've been investing consistently, buying and holding since 2022, and it has all been for these upcoming months that will determine the future. So, guys, today, the Federal Reserve will be announcing whether or not they will be cutting interest rates. And why is that so important to the cryptocurrency market? So, guys, right now, inflation is high and the interest rates are high. And so what are investors doing? Investors with large amounts of money all the way down, to retail investors like you and I, they are parking their money in risk-off assets such as bonds, cash, and other low-risk securities. Gold is included in this. And that is because the interest rates are high. Borrowing against the dollar there is a high interest rate, and so people want security with their investments. And what is going to happen if the Federal Reserve cuts the interest rates? What is going to happen is investors, especially large investors with millions and millions of dollars to invest, they are going to convert their investments from risk-off assets into risk-on assets, equities, stocks, and of course, cryptocurrency, guys. And what is the digital gold? Bitcoin, and of course the altcoins follow that. And so all of that liquidity flowing into these risk-on assets. And guys, we are only concerned with cryptocurrency on this channel, guys. That is extremely bullish for the cryptocurrency market. And so, all right, so it's the first time in 4 years it is going to be bullish if they do cut rates. Guys, this could go one of three ways. One, the Federal Reserve could pause the rate cuts and not cut the rates today, which I don't see that happening. Should that happen, I believe that would be bearish. We might see a decrease in prices of cryptocurrencies should that happen, but I don't think that we have to worry about that. I believe that they will. So the second choice of what could happen is the Federal Reserve could cut the interest rates by 25 basis points. And I believe that that is the most likely scenario. But the third possible outcome is that the Federal Reserve could, and there are analysts that are predicting a 50 basis point rate cut, and either of those two of the second and the third options are going to be bullish. But I want to talk about the possibility of, is this factored in? So I am concerned that there will be a immediate downtrend in the markets after the initial, when the rates are cut. I believe that it could go down, but I want to talk about the idea, and I want to get you guys, your thoughts and opinions on this. How do you feel about it? This could actually be factored in. This could be why we have been seeing green bubbles as of lately, and there has been green in the market because of the market anticipating these rate cuts that can and will most likely come today. And so, so we have the rate cut coming today. I believe it is most likely going to be 25 basis points. It could be as high as 50 basis points. And we have more things to come in the future. There is another interest rate cut possibility coming November 6th to the 7th will be the next Fed meeting. And then after that is December 17th to 18th will be the following Fed meeting after that. And then, of course, we have the elections in November. So, guys, we are on the cusp of things going bananas, guys. They call it the banana zone. They call it maybe because it's the shape of a banana, maybe because things go bananas, maybe because people go bananas. Either way, we are on the cusp And we have been buying and holding, guys. Set it and forget it. I believe, and I'm going to suggest this, but of course nobody's going to take that suggestion because I wouldn't be able to take that suggestion. If you are not DCAing in at this point in time, don't even look at your cryptos for the next few months, and then take a look at it, revisit that, 2, 3, 4, 5 months from now, and you will be pleasantly surprised. The point I'm trying to make is that the future is bullish. We do not know if the immediate term is going to be bearish. The Fed could, and I believe if they do cut the rates by 50 basis points, although that would be a good thing, it could potentially kind of shock the market, if you will, and there might be a little bit of a dip. But guys, I have dry powder on the sidelines, and I suggest that if you have dry powder on the sidelines, hold on to it. Don't ape into anything, because we don't know what's going to happen in the next few months. So I believe I covered everything I wanted to cover. This is just a short episode on the fact that today is the beginning, guys. Hold on, sit on your hands, DCA in, and I truly believe that the market is going to reward us in the next 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 months, guys. By this time next year, we should be absolutely shocked by the amount of profits that we're going to make. And that's why I am in cryptocurrency. I want to 5x, 10x, 20x my net worth in the next year. And guys, that's all I have today. A short episode on how it all starts today. Millionaires will be made in the next few months. And the Federal Reserve will be making the announcement today. And guys, as the day goes on, if you happen to come upon this episode after the announcement comes, should we have the rate cuts and everything, throw down in the comments, how do you feel? I want to know your thoughts and opinions on this. Do you think there'll be a 25 basis point rate cut? Do you think there'll be a 50 basis point rate cut? Or do you think there'll be a pause? And what implications do you think that these things will have on the market? So guys, if you enjoy my content, go ahead, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and smash the bell notification so you can see when I have content coming out. It's going to be coming out all the time for you guys. Guys, this is Crypto Timmy signing out. Peace. I'll see you in the next one.